Hello people, so I don't really talk in front of cameras very often, so this is kind of weird for me, but sometimes you just gotta get over it and do what you gotta do. I built the PC yesterday and I wanted to have some sort of introduction rather than just going straight into the video of us building the PC. I had like visioned in my head for doing this video was basically setting a tripod in front of the desk and just talking, but I don't have a clue what I'm doing. This is all new to me, so that didn't happen. So without further ado, here you go. What is all of this? Oh god.
I'll set your mother on top of that. Probably the one closest to your computer.
I'm gonna talk so much shit while he's building this.
Go for it, I don't care.
You don't know.
Oh, my wrist!
It's something.
Who, me? I wasn't insulted. I was just trying to listen and focus on what he's doing. Then when you get a chance.
Can you go break all of it?
I'm gonna tell you what, whatever I break, you can pay for.
When do you get so many games?
It won't hurt.
That shit still surprises me. Like, where did these games?
Your small ass shirt
It's crazy.
and tight ass jeans.
Because what we're going to do is, every once in a while, I usually just touch it. Finger rest it.
Impressive piece in this build.
Me?
Honestly?
Because it wouldn't be here.
Here you go.
Not what I
Alright.
Performance-wise?
Yeah.
These are your little tabs you're going to push down and then in.
Answer my
and
question.
come up. Me?
What is the CPU?
I like the CPU the most. Do one at a time, yeah.
Okay.
That's what I was thinking.
There you go.
Yeah, like i7, blah 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 blah
Yeah,
blah.
I think it would be the
Okay.
CPU.
It was 6800K.
What's the graphics card again?
blah.
So you see these
I was
little,
about to say 1600K.
these two little notches on the
Taking them back to like
and there's this.
2008.
There's also that little triangle.
What the hell?
Yeah, he's got the
On
branch.
the motherboard.
You got this man
As per
since 8.
Go what?
You heard since 8.
Let go, please. Please.
Yeah.
I haven't seen many shows lately.
Oh,
So you
there's
got-
still some there.
Basically, these skilled people.
I got something for that. You can pick that little plastic. You're good. You're good. So this one's gonna stick. You see the little notches right there? In between?
Yeah.
So I was like,
Alright, so line up.
remember a few
The,
years
the
ago,
RAM
when we
also
bought
has
bikes, you
notches
said
in
you
it.
wanted one? That was
Yeah.
like, you can't ride a bike. This is the reason why he's saying that.
Grab you one.
How's he been though?
Alright, you see that little notch?
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna take a little bit of force to
Aside
go all
from
the way
what?
down,
Which-
and then so you're gonna put in that gray one,
I mean,
that gray
he's
one.
been good. He hasn't
This
really.
black one.
He's not much of a. So it's like when I took him to like the bars.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, he was way out of control.
Hot in here.
Shane, you had the whole night. Yo, Shane, do you remember that night? Oh my gosh.
Do you? Do you remember it? We were in the Uber. He was like, I don't know, man. I might throw up. And the guy was like, I'll pull over. So we pull over, and he's like, I don't think we should go inside yet. So we walk all the way around this thing, all the way out of the way. And it's like, give me a minute, man. It's like, okay, Tony, go look for Malik over there. And he was like, no, come back, stay with me. And I was like, you could have filled up a pitcher of water, and it wouldn't have been as much that came out of him.
Alright.
Wait, did you put it in?
I
You're
did
shutting
it
down
only
yet.
because it's
I understand.
Oh, God.
I'm sorry.
That was
But
a
then you bring
terrible
that down.
idea.
Does it matter which order I close these?
It was fun.
That was
There
really
is-
hot.
They should lock in place. No, other one first. There you go.
Hey man,
That was a fun night though.
Oh no, I was
I
long.
had legitimate fun.
Do the other one
You know, I don't
20 or 20 something?
Notches.
23.
There you go.
In
And take some force.
11 days.
I wasn't sure. I don't want to break anything.
On the 28th?
And then the plastic thing
Oh, you're
should
right,
pop
it's
off
okay.
automatically.
Yeah, what are we doing for you?
We smoke it together. We'll
The whole
cook it
plastic.
together, guys.
I think when you were
Oh, the
holding-
black thing?
It's not
Oh,
gonna be
okay.
anything big because it's 20 inches
That makes sense.
Line it up
like this one that she was like, oh,
to the standoffs.
yeah, stuff like that. I was
They're
like,
kind
and
of
all
like
this is
what
like
I
for research, you know, like for
Really is.
science. You know, you see that.
Now you can kind of use that to pinch in the
Usually,
bio shit from it.
y'all make me laugh. And then, you say,
Okay, never mind.
the last time, I don't remember that last, after this one shot.
Bottom is there.
Alright, let me put you one right
He
there.
was like, you were, I think you were holding like a bottle of water.
He couldn't. He grabbed a bottle of water. It was upside down, pouring on himself. And he was like, it's good, it's good. And I'm like, no, it's not. And then I picked it up.
Not the one that.
I wonder if that was him. Right there.
You look bigger.
That's because he is bigger than everybody here.
Whoa.
She was like, first of all, it's only for a little while.
I'm big too.
But we know. Fucking Mr. Gaines over here.
Poke.
Careful, you might break your finger there.
Like,
Who, me?
because it's
I was talking to
you can be
Patrick.
bigger than me. It's just not-
I don't want to. I'm content with my size. I just want to get lean.
Both of us can be bigger than me. Like,
Ooh, switches.
how tall are you?
Don't
No,
go-
no.
Ken, how tall are you?
5'11" ish.
Dog,
Why is it so hot in here?
It is.
You could easily.
Y'all hot? Y'all just like out of shape.
Sorry, I have a giant layer of fat all over me.
Right? Thanks, man. For my
It's
security. That's
yeah, that
body
like-
shaming. It's 2017.
You have a generation of heat above you.
It ain't even. That shit cool right there.
Have y'all ever cleaned Sadie?
No, she's just dirty. He was like, have you ever cleaned Sadie? Like, no, she just stays dirty. You want your CPU cooler up top or the front? Top.
Yeah, because there's one in front of me. Put it top.
On top. All right, so you got to get wherever your CPU cooler is.
H60. A box somewhere.
Why did you choose top, Shane? Yo, go far.
It's true though. He does rise.
Very valid point.
Wait, did you say I was right?
No, I said heat rises.
Oh, dude, we think alike.
No, it's just the way physics works.
Hey, I'm just saying. If we.
It should.
I don't know how to open box. turn it on from the top.
The area from the power supply looks really big.
It's the basement. The hard drives are down too. You gotta turn it on for me.
I know.
You just. I'm just looking.
Oh my god.
Hold on. We got a cable holding up the stand from spinning.
Turn it off.
Yeah. You gotta hold it this time. Let's reset. I kid you.
Shannon, you're so happy right now.
You don't understand.
That's a good sign.
Wait.
You do it. Take 2.
Is that still on?
I'm happy for him.
Still on, dog? Hello? Hello?
There we go. Alright, and if you want, just go ahead and start spamming the delete key.
Why?
Go ahead, so you can enter BIOS. You do like 1 a second, not like 1,000 a second. Hey, we post.
Good job, sir. You know what you're doing.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed all of our shenanigans. The videos will get better as I learn and get more comfortable with talking on camera. Deuce. Nope, I'm not doing the signature salute. That is so dumb. I need like a stormtrooper mask. Like, so I'm off to go fight the rebellion.